here's offset accounts. Today we are going to look at the first major benefit of an offset account. There are two others and I'll do them in two separate videos. And yes, through this video you'll understand exactly what an offset account is and how it works, because I know I haven't told you yet. To understand this first benefit, we have to compare an offset account to a savings account. So let's look at the savings account first. Remember, we receive interest on a savings account as the bank pays us for keeping our money. Let's take Georgia. She has taken a home loan of $1,000 for simplicity's sake. The interest she has to pay on her home loan is 5%. To keep it simple, we won't use a time period for the interest as it can make it a little bit more tricky. Okay, so let's say that Georgia has put $50 into her savings account. Now, let's say the interest rate on the savings account is 1% of the amount. So, Georgia will be earning 1% of $50, which is 50 cents. So, the bank has paid her 50 cents. If you're confused about any of this, please take the time to rewatch the previous videos on current and savings accounts. Now, remember the home loan we took? It was $1,000, and the interest Georgia has to pay on her home loan is 5%. But she has earned 50 cents from her savings account, as I just demonstrated before. So whilst she is still paying 5% of $1,000, which is $50, as interest on her home loan, she has earned 50 cents on the side. That's fantastic. Through the savings account, she has earned 50 cents. Now, let's check out what an offset account can do. Now, an offset account is a combination of a current and savings account. Whatever you earn goes directly into your offset account and reduces the amount from which you have to pay interest. What exactly do I mean by this? Let's go back to Georgia. Now, we have said that she has a home loan of $1,000 and pays 5% interest on this. However, in an offset account, the money you both earn and save will pay off this loan. So, remember how Georgia had earned $50 that she'd put into her savings account over here? That $50 in an offset can be subtracted from the $1,000 home loan, meaning she only has to pay interest on $1,000 minus $50, $950. So, an offset account is a deduction account. Whatever and whenever Georgia earns will be deducted from her home loan. Let's compare the two now. In the savings account, Georgia will be paying 5% of $1,000, which is $50. But remember, she earned 50 cents from the savings which she put into her savings account, giving her a net loss of $49.50. In the offset account, Georgia will be paying 5% of $950, as I said before, because the $50 she earned can be subtracted from the $1,000. That gives you $47.50. Now, that's a $2 difference. When you take realistic figures, the difference between the amounts in the offset and savings accounts will be in the thousands. So, there's your first benefit. In an offset account, whatever you earn or save is directly deducted from your home loan, meaning that you have to pay interest on a lesser amount. Seriously, I know it's a lot to take in. It took me ages to get this. So please take time to watch and rewatch this video. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the comments below. Or if you'd like to see something else related to money, let me know. Thank you so much and see you next week for the second benefit of an offset account.